way back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you're not to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now.